Welcome to Module 5. In this module, we're going to be taking a look at trigonometric identities. Now again, it's really easy to get caught up in the process of manipulating these equations using the identities. What we're really trying to teach is different ways to approach problems. Things like guess and check, or things like using a specific group of identities to solve a problem and to manipulate it. So manipulating it in this case means getting it into a place where we can actually solve it and learn from it. And that's how we work in the real world, right? We approach a complex problem, we manipulate the problem down to understanding what exactly is happening, and then we kind of unravel the ball of yarn. You will definitely want to use a formula sheet. There are a lot of great ones, but I also post one in the announcements to be able to utilize for the identities. Again, the focus isn't on memorizing the identities, it's on the actual process of manipulating things, which is why we're not necessarily looking for you to memorize an entire page of formulas. Think about that and think about your opinions on that as you approach your classroom experience. So after you've completed your readings and your videos, we're going to have a discussion about STEAM. Now, STEAM is something that's really interesting because we've kind of stepped away from the arts in our math and science education. And as we stepped away from the arts, we learned that we were taking away students' ability to creatively think. And so the STEAM initiative starts bringing creative thinking back into the fold of education. And we're really going to explore, what does that mean? So after you finish your discussion, you're going to move into your homework assignment and your knowledge check. In your weekly assignment, keep in mind you might need a little bit of extra paper just because manipulating these equations can take several steps. Feel free to make sure you label those steps as 1, 2, and 3 so that it's clear to me what you did first. Now, also keep in mind there are multiple ways to approach these problems. So if you look at your paper compared to any of your peers, you may have done steps in different order, and that's okay. And that's one of the key pieces for students. Have a great time in Module 5.